We're gonna make the Chinese chili today. At the beginning, we're gonna make the sauce first. You need a bigger bowl like that. Then you put a cup of warm water in it. We need two oyster sauce. And 2 tablespoons of wholesome sauce. Wholesome sauce, 1, 2, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. Okay, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Okay, then half tablespoon of cumin powder. Okay, half tablespoon of curry powder. 1/4, just a little bit of five spice powder, and 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Then also half tablespoon of paprika. 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of the chicken powder, that bouillon. Then half a tablespoon of beef bouillon. You want half this tablespoon. So 1.5 cup of picante sauce. Okay, 1.5 cup. 1. Okay, so you kind of mix it so we can start cooking. All right, then we will cook the half a pound of bacon. Okay, so we have to fry up, cut it into real small pieces. It'll take a while to cook these. Okay, that's you have to fry it up pretty crispy, and that's about right. See? Okay, then we put the bacon out. Then we're gonna cook the 2 cups of onions, chopped up onions. Your jalapeno. 1 jalapeno, cut up small chunk. 1 jalapeno, and 1 cut up green pepper. About 2 tablespoons of cut up gingers, and 2 tablespoons of garlic, chopped garlic. Okay, and also we're gonna cook with 1 pound of ground beef. Okay. Okay, then you see the beef start kind of breaking out like small pieces, so that's about okay. And we're gonna put the can of kidney beans in it. Kidney bean, 1 can. 1 big can of crushed tomatoes. And also the sauce we make before, earlier, so we'll put all this stuff in it. Okay, I think that's about it. Okay. We're gonna cook this low heat for like hour, between hour to 2 hours. Low heat, you know, turn it down, or you can put it in the slow cooker for 2 hours. Put the, you know, scoop that to a slow cooker and let it cook for 2 hours. And but we're not gonna do it today in a slow cooker. We just cook it in a pan for about an hour. Okay, I cook it about 1 hour, and it's you know, it's getting drier. You can see it, and also you can put it in a slow cooker, you know, for 2 hours. But this is faster. Okay, then we're gonna put some 2 cups of chopped up celery here, little diced pieces, and we sprinkle half of them on the inside, you know, and a little bit. And so we stir them, put them together. Okay. And now we can ready to scoop them out. Okay. All right. Then we're gonna sprinkle some of the raw celery, the little leftover one in top, and some of the green onion, and some of the parsley. And some of the crispy bacon. I think that's it. Then that's Asian chili.